Hey feds, Trump fired or demoted at least 20 inspectors general in 6 months, and now we're meeting their replacements, and the mission isn't watching him. The president is picking people such as a co-author of Project 2025, and his picks are raising eyebrows. Here is what you need to know. These offices go back to 1978. One legal job: watch their own agency for fraud, waste, and abuse. Independent, nonpartisan. The refills, per the New York Times, at Labor, a former congressman who spent weeks praising the president, attacking Governor Newsom, and speaking at a campaign rally. At HHS, a watchdog who accused New York of being weak on fraud right before the administration suspended millions in funding for that state, with issues being raised of whether there's differential treatment based on the political leanings of states. And at Interior, the office asked to investigate the Bosch reflecting pool repairs. We have a co-author of Project 2025. So about that pool, it did turn green. The president blamed vandals. The Justice Department told the court, it was the contractor. The trend has numbers. Cabinet-level IG offices issued 15% fewer audits and 25% fewer investigative reports in the first half of this fiscal year versus the 5-year average. So why this lands on you? The IG isn't an abstraction to a Fed. It's a door they tell you to knock on. See something, say something, right? Now, the part that still stands, this is the law verbatim, and watch to the end to hear something that might be counterintuitive. Under 5 U.S.C. 2302BH, your disclosure is protected if you reasonably believe it shows a violation of law, rule, or regulation, gross mismanagement, a gross waste of funds, an abuse of authority, or a substantial and specific danger to public health or safety. Protection attaches when you speak, not when the IG agrees, not only if the IG stays independent. Making a report to the IG is almost always covered regardless of whether the IG is a good presidential pick. And retaliation for protected disclosure is prohibited personnel practice no matter who runs the office. In other words, even if the IG does nothing with your complaint, if it is covered, which it usually is, that is protected by itself. I'd recommend you know all of your channels, your agency IG, the Office of Special Counsel, which takes disclosures directly, at least under the statute. And if your job changed, a sudden PIP reassignment, something right after you engaged in protected activity, you likely have a strong whistleblower case if the person knew about it, and you don't think the agency could show by clear and convincing evidence it would have taken the same action or made the same threat regardless. Those would be good reprisal questions. We handle those cases. My name is Sean Southworth at Southworth PC. We represent federal employees nationwide and worldwide, wherever you are. Thank you, everybody, for your support. Please take care and have a great day.